That's normally what I do, and that has the flavor complexity that we want. Mother.
Hey hot boys and hot girls.
Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Melissa.
And today Melissa's going to be making you a fabulous appetizer.
So we're going to be doing roasted radishes, and as gross as that may sound to you, I promise you it is absolutely divine. You're going to impress quite literally everyone.
When I tell you, Melissa makes a lot of things that sound nasty to me, but I always trust her and they always turn out so good. She's never disappointed.
So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is just...
She sprayed this pan with non-stick spray, by the way.
Yeah, just to be safe. Then prior to this, all we did was in just a little bowl, you're going to do some fresh cut garlic. Probably like a third to a half a stick of butter. Sounds like a lot. Olive oil and a little bit of garlic salt, so it's extra garlic. And we're just going to microwave that for about a minute until it's all melted. And this is just all we put on here. Just use a little food paintbrush.
So this is lots of garlic, so this is a great dish to prepare before you go meet your boo.
So before we pop these in the oven, we're just going to do a little bit of pink Himalayan salt because
Her fave.
we're rich here.
She would never use normal sea salt. I do.
No, or just normal salt. Like,
well, yeah, we wouldn't use normal salt
people
either. That's
use
just
the
gross.
salt with that girl with the umbrella.
Yeah, the girl with the umbrella. Her. We hate that bitch.
We do.
Yeah.
A little bit of pepper. A little more garlic salt because for fun.
Mmm.
These are all light eyeballing situations.
Yeah, we don't really do measuring here.
So a little bit of parsley. This is just dried parsley.
You missed a few radishes. There we go. That's looking good.
And then just a couple red pepper flakes. This doesn't really do much. And if you really hate spicy, it's not really going to make it that spicy. So, and we're ready to throw this in the oven.
What's next, Melissa?
Jesus. So what we're going to do while that's in the oven, we have it at about 350 and it can be however long you want. You're kind of just eyeballing it. So when it looks a little brownish, you can kind of see it sizzling. You'll know when it's done. You'll be able to see that with your eyes. Obviously,
sizzling. Snap, crackle, pop.
So next we're going to make the dipping aioli. You're going to take some mayo.
Oh my, what a fabulous sound effect.
And
oh, okay.
Prior to filming, we just roasted up some peppers, so it's the same as the radishes. You throw some peppers already pre-cut onto a cooking sheet with some nonstick, throw it in the oven, and wait until they, as you can see, they are a little bit black around the edges, so they get a nice little char. You're going to toss these in.
What kind of peppers are we using?
Any ones you want. I normally do red pepper, but today we're going to do red, yellow, and
variety.
Yes. And so after we do that, normally I would add sour cream, but we don't have sour cream, so we're just going to do without today. Just a little extra mayo. A little bit of garlic salt, because this is the most garlicky dish you can get.
Ever.
And we'll just do a tiny bit more mayo.
She secretly just wants to hear the sound effect again.
So I'm going to go ahead and blend this behind the scenes, and we'll see you back here in a second.
Wow, what do we have here?
As you can see, we obviously have this delectable dish. Presentation is key.
Mm-hmm.
So we left the radishes in for, I want to say 15-ish minutes, would you say? Like 15, 20. Honestly, you can leave them essentially however long you want. If you want to be super crispy, longer the better, vice versa. So like I said, also for the aioli, make sure you add sour cream. That's normally what I do, but we had to improvise today.
And when she made it, it was a little thick, so we added a little water and olive oil to thin it up a little bit.
You ready?
I am. Are you feeding me?
No, get your own.
She's so rude. Crude and rude.
Honestly, I amazed myself when I first made this. This is a perfect appetizer. So if you have like a couple people over for a dinner party, this is so simple and it looks bougie AF.
And you know what's so strange? It almost tastes like filet mignon to me.
Yeah, so I guess if you're vegan or vegetarian, you need sort of a nice substitute for something. I guess this would be like the perfect thing. You can maybe add some different seasonings, like steak seasoning on top.
Very interesting that that's the case, because you would not expect this to be steaky.
Yeah. So, as we normally say,
your fave could never.
Real hot girl shit.